I would like to show you sketch this function, this rational function, without using the derivatives. Okay, now we're given this function, and we simplify the denominator into this. So that means we have to know the asymptotes. You know, the denominator, when x equal to -1, +1, +5, it will be infinity. Therefore, there are three vertical asymptotes: x equal to -1, x equal to +1, this is positive, this is -1, this is 0, and +5. Okay, these are three vertical asymptotes. Now, since the highest power x cube, denominator is also x cube, but the leading term is 2 on the numerator. The leading term is 1 on the denominator. Therefore, when x approaches to infinity, the function is approaching to 2. Okay, that's very easy to have. So 2 is my horizontal asymptote. That is all I need. I need a horizontal asymptote, 3 vertical asymptotes from this rational function. Now we can start sketching. Now the way I'm sketching it is this. When x is approaching to 5 from right hand side, that means x is a 5.00001. Okay, so this is a positive, 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 positive. Therefore, it goes to positive infinity. Do you know what I mean? I better use this. Okay. Okay. When x is approaching to 5 from left hand side, that is x equal to 4.99999 something. So this is a negative, positive, 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 positive. Therefore, the overall value is negative infinity. So that is somewhere here. Negative infinity. Okay. Now, when x equals to 3, it's 0. Right? So, function must passing through this point. Now, when x is equal to when x approaches to 1 from right hand side, that means x equal to 1.00000 and so on. So this one is positive, positive, negative, negative, positive. So overall is positive. So positive infinity. Understand? Okay, when x is approaching to 1 from left hand side, that means x is 0.99999 something like that. So this is a negative. This is negative, positive, negative, 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 3 negatives. Therefore, overall, it's a negative. So when x approaches to 1 from left, it's approaching to a negative infinity. That is this here. See? When x equals to 0, the function equals to 0. So this is the point, the curve passing through. Okay. Now then, x approaches to -1. When x approaches to -1 from right hand side, that means the x equals negative 0.99999. So this is a positive, negative, 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 positive, sorry, again, positive, negative, 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 positive. So overall is what? Overall is a negative, negative infinity. What is this here? Now, finally, when x approaches to negative 1 from left-hand side, that means x is a negative 1.0000 something. So this is negative, 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 positive. So overall is positive. So that is positive infinity. Okay. When x is approaching to infinity, as I said, that the leading term is x cubed on 2x cubed on top. The bottom is 3x cubed. So overall is equal to 2 when x approaches infinity. So that is approaches to 2. Approaches 2. And when x approaches to negative infinity, when x is approaching to negative infinity, then on top will be what? 2x cubed. On bottom will be x cubed on the leading term. So overall is what? Overall is positive. Positive approaches to 2. Something like that. Then we just join these these pieces of information. We will have the curve like this. This is this will cross this point, right? Then okay. Then here it will be like this. Okay, don't create a sharp angle. Sharp angle means not differentiable. So it has to be smooth. Now here that these two, you see, then this is overall the curve of this function. Okay, my camera is so I have to pan the picture. Okay, that is a way to sketch the curve like that. Okay, now also that I want to show you something that suppose we have a function y equals x, well, x minus 1 square, x plus 1, x minus 2 cube, x minus 3/4, and so on. We know that the function crossing 0 and -1 and +1, +2, +3, and so on. Now, the curve crossing these points, if the power is odd, just simply cross. If the power is even, it touch the point, not crossing. So when x is approaching infinity, that's infinity. So the curve is somewhere here. 3 is even power, so it's touched, not crossing. 2 is a cube, so it's crossing. 1 here, 1 is square, right? 1 is a square, so it's touching. 0 is a first power, so it's crossing. One is a square, so it's touching. Yeah. Of course, this is just roughly, okay, the shape. You have to find the maximum, minimum, and so on. So that is the way to have the information for the curve, how to cross the x-intercept. Okay. Now here, x squared is an even power, so it's touching. It's a touching. X minus 3 first power, so the point is crossing. Okay, that is, it is just to have a good information. How do we sketch the curve, in general? Okay, I have 8 videos series of 8 videos talk about the curve sketch. You can search on YouTube. Thank you.